Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Creatively Purple. I'm Carolyn, and today I have an Archer&Olive unboxing. I purchased some of their products from their spring line. So they just recently came out and I just got them today. So I'm really excited to share what I got. I can't wait to actually see some of these products. So let's open up this box here. Okay. For some reason, I was kind of expecting the box to be a little bit bigger because I was picturing that the acrylograph pens would be in like a large box, but I guess we'll see. So I got the A5 notebook cover, and I just got the plain one, no glitter or anything like that. So that's what it looks like. All right, so I have some stamps. So I have the days of the week, the standard one. So even though I already have a set that has the days of the week on it from the subscription box, I wanted to have different fonts, and then of course I wanted the numbers as well. So that's one of them. The next one is also the days of the week, but this one is cursive. This font is pretty similar to the subscription box, but that's okay. I also got the washi tape. So this set here, so there's 4 of them. Holy crap, there's a lot on it. I wasn't expecting it to be that thick. Wow, I'm impressed. I love the colors. I already have an idea of what I'm going to do with these. So there's a heart here, gold hearts, and then we just have stripes with pastel-y colors, and then just like a floral type, and then another floral with some gold foiling in there. That's nice. And here is the second set of the, so we have just some more florals, and again there's little bit of gold foiling in there, and then another, this one has stars and moons on it. And then we have an orangey colored one, and then another floral, looks like little daisies or something. Okay, so now I got 2 journals. I got one from the spring line, and then I got one that wasn't from the spring line. It's a limited edition one. So let's open up. So I got the yellow one. Yellow and purple are my favorite colors. Oh, I didn't notice, but it has a pen holder, so I like that. It is a linen cover, and it has the gold floral with the vase, and it is just dotted pages. Can I get this off? So it's just I don't know if you can see that well. There's like a glare. Sorry about that. Okay, so that is my first journal. And then my next journal, like I said, it's a limited edition one, and it's the B5. So it's the silver B one, and this is a cool notebook because it's a Napoleon notebook, and I've never had one before. So this, oh, it also has a, I wonder if all of them have one. Okay, so it also has a pen holder here, but what's cool is that it's a dotted journal, as well as has craft paper, and then it has black. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use that. So that's my other journal, and it's also a linen cover, that one. Okay, so now we're down. Oh, I knew I had another one. So before I get to the acrylographs, I have another stamp set. It's the Celestial set. All right, so these are my first official sets that I ever purchased. I've only ever gotten the ones that came in the subscription box, and I love them so much that I was like, I need to get them all. So that's on my list of things to purchase over time. Cool. So on the packaging, it says blending palette. So that's pretty cool. And then it has the instructions on how you use the pens. Ooh, these are some nice colors. So these are the pens. I'm gonna have to find the swatch page on the Archer&Olive page and see if there's any. Oh, it came with extra nibs, so I have 2 extra nibs. Does it say the names on the pen? No. And these are the 7mm pens. So this one has the gold in it. So is that, I think it's, I don't remember the names. Does it say on the box? Oh, it does. Thank goodness. So it's the vernal set. And then the next one is the Awakening set. These are nice packages. It'll be easy to store. And again, it has the blending palette and the instructions, and ooh, these are some nice colors as well. If you guys want to see a swatch sample, comment below and I'll definitely make a video of that. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm super excited about the products that I just purchased. I can't wait to use them. I'm actually debating on what journal I should use first, if I should use my new Napoleon or if I should use my yellow journal. Why don't you guys comment below and let me know which one I should start with. And whichever one gets the most comment, the most voted on, I'll definitely do that one. And I'm definitely going to be testing out a lot of these stamps as well. I'm really excited about this. The main reason why I got this set was so I can get the moon phases and the cute little moon and star garland there. So I can't wait. I can't wait to use these. I'll quickly open this one too. Oh, There's, I forgot about that. There's also this style of stamping at the bottom. Does the other one have something like that too? Let me double check. I think it does. I think that's the main reason why I bought them too. Yeah, they have it as well. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Now I need to purchase ink because I only have 3 colors, gold, black, and purple. So I'll definitely need to be purchasing some ink. All right, guys. That was my Archer&Olive haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It'd be really appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified for my upcoming videos. And please, please comment. I would really love to know which notebook I should start my new semester with for the next school year. So, do we do the Napoleon Silver B or do we do the yellow notebook? Well, guys, have a great day. Till next time.